So, good morning, good morning, good morning. Not often I say morning. Normally these are dropped in the afternoon, but today we're going to mix it up a little bit. But big up to everybody who is watching. Make sure you hit a like on the video. Make sure you are fully subscribed as well. Subs flying through the roof on this channel at the moment. Also, tiny amount of subs away from 5K on the More League Gunner vlog channel. Go into the description whilst you're watching this video. Hit a subscribe on that channel. After this video is finished, make sure you check out the vlog I did from yesterday as well. And I'm off down the beach. The sun is starting to come out. It's been very overcast today and very muggy, a bit like our football club, muggy. And I will be back again twice more today, 5 p.m. and 10 p.m. So keep your eyes peeled for that. But let's talk about the absolute shambolic transfer window we've had, because as I sit here recording this, on the 10th of August at 10 a.m. It's an absolute sham. £0 received. Only 4 players maybe gone out on loan, plus a couple of load of youth teamers or whatever. Joe Willock still hasn't been announced, so we're not going to count that until it is. But £0 into the club. Not only that, we have spent 75 million. When Joe Willock goes through, that's going to knock it down to 50. What, is that it? Is that us done? Well done, lads. We signed Ben White. Well done. Yep, job done. We didn't need a defender. We had the third best defence in the league. We needed midfielders. So I know, let's get rid of Guendouzi. Let's get rid of Joe Willock. And we'll sign Lokonga instead. Who makes these decisions? Like, it makes no sense whatsoever. Like, Lokonga, he looks like a decent footballer. But is he better than Willock and Guendouzi combined? Is he even better than either of them not combined? I don't know. We'll see this season. But one thing I do know is with 3 days to go until we kick off against Brentford, we're actually worse than last season. And Edu's more interested in swanning it around Mallorca with a cocktail in his hand than he is by doing any deals. Then his son's coming out doing an interview saying, oh, I barely see my dad when I'm on holiday. He's always on the phone. Yeah, well, my heart bleeds, mate. Yeah, what do you want me to do? Get the violins out? Yeah? Like, it's not like you're having 4 holidays a month, is it? Do you know what I mean? Like, what's the matter with these people? Yeah, it's like, it's just, the whole club stinks. Yeah, what does Edu actually do? Because I keep hearing people say to me, well, it's not Edu's job to do the deals for the players. That's Richard Garlick's job. Okay, so what does Edu do then? What does he actually do? What does Richard Garlick do? Because, like, so far, we've done nothing. We have literally wasted 10 weeks of a transfer window. 10 weeks. And when you see Man United signing Sancho and Varane, albeit Varane's not announced yet, it's a dumb deal, we know. Then you see Chelsea going for Lukaku. You see Messi potentially going to PSG. It's like, you know, Grealish has gone Man City. And we're sitting there all like, oh, Ben White, oh, Ben White, oh, Ben White, oh, he's the seaside Tony Adams. Yeah, he might turn out to be a good centre-back. But at the end of the day, like, is this what we're about now? Just do all of your eggs in one basket. We done it in the Summers Party basket last season. And we all know how that ended up, don't we? So let's not get carried away with Ben White. Yeah, that should be the bare minimum. We shouldn't be sitting here going, well, we've signed the £50 million centre-back, so that's cool. And if we can get Maddison, then that's great. But if not, we'll take Odegaard. Like, hello, raise your standards. This football club smashed a beautiful stadium down to compete for the likes of Sancho, Grealish, even Messi. Yeah, I'm sticking him in there as well. Even Messi. We're supposed to be competing with the best in the world. Yeah, and as it stands at the moment, we can't even compete with Aston Villa. Wake up. Smell the coffee. What is Arteta doing to make the team better? Absolutely nothing. I see one of these little PR puppet journalists, one of these little cockroaches. Can't remember his name. He's got some name. It's, I don't know. I can't even remember his name. Yeah, he works for Football London. Shock. He's one of their little trainees. I think Wheatley's taken him under his wing to try and train him up. He was tweeting out about Dortmund's CEO saying, oh, well, we can't get rid of players at the moment because of the COVID market and rah. He quote tweeted that and said, oh, see, it's not just Arsenal that can't get rid of players. Wake up, mate. Yeah, I couldn't give 2 flying Fs about Dortmund. This is Arsenal Football Club. And by the way, they just got £73 million for Jadon Sancho. We've got £0 in so far. So when people want to sit there and say, oh, yeah, but you can't get rid of these players. Nobody wants to buy them. Okay, cool. So what correlation is it with Dortmund then? What's that got to do with anything? What's it got to do with Kolasinac terminating a contract? He's got less than a year left. Pay the geezer to fuck off. Like, seriously, pay him to leave. Yeah, I really don't get it. And what's going to happen is we are going to terminate Kolasinac's contract. So why didn't we terminate it last month? Or the month before? Or the month before? Or even in January when we loaned him out to Schalke? What, we're trying to save that extra 100 grand a week? Yeah? Well, we're not saving it, are we? Because we're still paying the geezer. So I don't get it. If you don't want Kolasinac and you can't find a club willing to pay money for him, terminate his contract. Bye-bye. You're now off the wage bill. See ya. Goodbye. Ta-ta. Instead, we're going to sit there until right near the end of the window and then Kolasinac's contract to be terminated. Well, what's the difference? Why don't you do it now? You're still paying him the money, whether he's at the club or terminating his contract. So what difference does it make? I just don't get it. Like, and the thing is, football is not a hard thing. Yeah, it's not complicated whatsoever. Yes, I get some of the deals may be complicated, but when I look at what we're doing on the pitch, it is a shambles. Yeah, and then people want to come out and say, but we've got controlled possession. You absolute wasters. Controlled possession means you can't break a team down, so you're just keeping the ball for keeping the ball's sake. About controlled possession. You hipsters, man, get in the bin with your manager. Yeah, seriously, absolute wasters. Yeah, and like I've said before, I will always hold this club accountable and have it up here for the standards that I have grown up on. I am not lowering my expectations and standards for this football club just because they're having everyone else's pants down. They ain't having mine down, mate. Yeah, they told me, and everyone else who was alive in 2002. We are moving to Ashburton Grove to compete with the best in Europe. Yeah, we'll start competing. When you start competing, I'll zip it. Until then, I'm just going to keep going. Unlucky. But anyway, we're not competing with anyone of any note. We're competing with Leeds, Everton, and Aston Villa this season. Are they Europe's elite? No, they're not, are they? We're not even in Europe. I mean, we're not even in Europe, but we're competing apparently, or supposed to be. So how about this club do what they told me they were going to do and why they smashed that stadium down? Do what you told us, yeah, you were going to do. Go and compete with Europe's elite. Why weren't we in for Grealish? Why weren't we in for Lukaku? Why weren't we in for other players? All I see is Martin Odegaard is the number one choice. Fucking Martin Odegaard. Jesus Christ, the club is done out here. And then you've got Edu poncing it up like jet skis, dinners with Raoul. Yeah, listen, cool. Have your holidays, mate. I ain't stopping you having your holidays. Do all your work, yeah, and then go on a 4-month holiday. I couldn't care less. When this club has signed Ben White for 20 or 30 million quid, too much money, yeah, he's 25, 30 million quid at best, and we've just spunk 50 on him. Yeah, whilst that shows a little bit of like, well done, you wanted the player badly, you've overpaid for him, cool, bit of ambition. Why did it take 6 weeks to do that deal? Because if I had 50 million quid, I could have bought Ben White. Like, come and sit on the sofa all day, mate. We'd just look at your tattoos because that's how our fans are. Oh, he's got lovely tattoos. You fetish mongers. Like, seriously. Oh, he's such a good. Oh, we got the best looking defense in the league. Like, I'd rather a bunch of ugly bastards, wouldn't you? If they were winning. Pathetic. Absolutely sick to death of it, man. Edu don't do nothing at this football club. He got the job off of the back of being a bench warmer in the Invincible season. Fact. Arteta shouldn't have got the job, but he got the job off of the back of shining Pep's head. Yeah? Do you know what I mean? Richard Garlick's probably the only one in the position of power at this club that's actually qualified. But what's he done since he's been here? Vinay's done nothing apart from chat absolute bollocks. Yeah? Where's Josh? Oh, yeah, man. We really want to connect with the fans, man. We want to connect with the fan base, man. Well, I'll tell you what then, Josh. Yeah? Leave a comment, slide in my DMs on Insta or something, give me your phone number and I'll fucking connect with you. Yeah, let's talk. Yeah, let's talk, mate. It's good to talk. And on that bombshell, I'm out of here. Have a wonderful day. I'll be back again at 5 p.m. and then I'll be back again at 10. I'm off down the beach for the day. The sun, like I said, is poking its sunny head out. And yeah, man, I'm going to go and get some food down the beach, take the little one with me and her mum. and we're going to chill because this club gets me angry. So yeah, we're going to have some good content coming out on the vlog channel. Make sure you subscribe, like, share. Edu out, Vinay out, Richard Garlic. You're close, mate. You're treading thin ice, mate. Yeah, fan base out, Josh Conkey out, everyone out, man. Sick and